Imagine the early years of the 20th century. Muddy fields, deep ruts, long supply convoys, and a new kind of machine capable of replacing horses in towing heavy artillery. This is the story of the Latil TAR, the first French serially produced all-wheel drive artillery tractor, developed in 1913. This mechanical workhorse was born in the workshops of the Latil company and quickly caught the attention of the French army for its ability to cross rough terrain and tow guns that previously required several horse teams. Its design was revolutionary for the time, four-wheel drive and steering on both the front and rear axles, giving it incredible maneuverability, unmatched by most vehicles of its era. The Latil TAR was originally conceived as a field artillery tractor for 155mm guns. During early trials in 1913, it impressed observers with its power and traction, capable of climbing steep slopes and hauling multi-ton loads. When the First World War began, the Latil TAR became an essential part of the Allied logistics system, operating on the Western Front where traditional roads were destroyed and horses struggled in the mud. After the war, the design did not disappear. It evolved into improved versions such as TAR 2, TAR 3, and TAR 4, with many still in service during the interwar years and even at the beginning of the Second World War. Technically, the Latil TAR was an advanced piece of engineering for its time. It was powered by a four-cylinder inline gasoline engine with a displacement of 7.5 liters, approximately 457 cubic inches. The engine produced about 40 horsepower at low revolutions per minute, which was ideal for towing heavy loads. The torque output was around 235 newton-meters, approximately 173 pound-feet, providing strong pulling power at low speeds. It was paired with a manual transmission featuring 4 or 5 forward gears and 1 reverse gear, distributing power effectively to all 4 wheels through a robust drivetrain. The chassis was built for endurance. The front power unit, engine, clutch, and gearbox was mounted on 3 support points, reducing vibration and improving service life. The suspension used semi-elliptic leaf springs, and the wheels were solid and reinforced for heavy-duty work, providing both strength and stability on rough terrain. The Latil TAR measured roughly 6 meters long, approximately 19.7 feet, with a wheelbase of about 3 meters, approximately 9.8 feet, and a width of 2 meters, approximately 6.6 feet, giving it impressive stability when towing heavy artillery across narrow or uneven roads. Its empty weight was around 5.8 metric tons, approximately 12,787 pounds. With later versions reaching up to 6 tons, approximately 13,228 pounds due to reinforced frames. The top speed was modest, about 17 to 18 kilometers per hour, approximately 11 to 12 miles per hour, but speed was not the goal. What made the TAR exceptional was its traction, durability, and off-road capability. Reports from the front confirmed that the tractor could haul heavy artillery up steep slopes and move across soft ground where horses or lighter vehicles could not operate. In some demonstrations, it managed inclines up to 40% without assistance. One of the most interesting and little-known facts about the Latil TAR is that some prototypes were tested with temporary tracks that could be fitted over the wheels, transforming the vehicle into a half-track for extreme terrain. Another innovative feature was the four-wheel steering system, allowing both axles to turn and drastically improving maneuverability in tight spaces. This made the Latil TAR particularly valuable in forested or urban environments where turning large vehicles was difficult. Its modular front-engine design also made maintenance and field repairs easier, an invaluable advantage during wartime. In practical use, the Latil TAR changed military logistics. Between 1914 and 1918, artillery units could move heavy guns more efficiently and with fewer casualties than when relying on horse-drawn transport. It became one of the first truly modern military tractors, blending reliability with versatility. Reports from the French and Allied forces praised its dependability and traction in muddy and mountainous terrain. Even though it required skilled mechanics and regular servicing, the TAR performed its duties exceptionally well and became a symbol of industrial progress on the battlefield. Today, surviving examples of the Latil TAR are highly prized by museums and collectors. Restoring these early tractors is a challenge since many of their parts were custom made before industrial standardization. Nevertheless, restored models still impress with their size, engineering quality, and the unmistakable charm of early mechanical design. They serve as a reminder of a time when technology began to reshape the very nature of warfare and logistics. If you enjoyed this journey into the history of early military vehicles and want to see more stories about rare trucks and forgotten machines, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us uncover and preserve the incredible engineering heritage that changed the world.